In the hush of the gathering night, when the hills breathe low and slow, a spark awakens in the dark where the hidden embers glow. From ash and stone, from time untold, a whisper rises warm and bright, calling hearts that fear the cold to the dancing firelight. Oh, spirit of the fire,